Hey guys, it's me Solomon here from Aisler, and this is the full review of the Cosmic OS Android P edition. Let's get started. For installing this ROM, you need to have an unlocked bootloader and a custom recovery pre-installed. The first step you need to do is to download the ROM file and the GApps file. I have provided all the links down below in the description box. Once you downloaded the ROM file and the GApps file, now you need to press and hold the volume up and power button until you see the MI logo in order to get in the recovery mode. I highly recommend you to use their latest Red Wolf recovery because you can skip all those errors while installing the custom ROM. Before wiping everything, I highly recommend you to back up your current OS or your current ROM. Once you backed up everything, go to wipe, then advanced wipe, then select everything except the internal storage and swipe to wipe. After a clean wipe, choose the ROM file and the GApps file and swipe to confirm flash. The flashing will take around 2 to 5 minutes, so be patient. The Cosmic OS based on Android Nougat was really good, just like the Resurrection Remix based on Android Nougat. So, just like that, the team has managed to build an optimized Android vanilla experience based on Android 8.1 OREO with latest Android features. The developers have succeeded in bringing this ROM stable, which can excel in performance and thus providing better and efficient battery life. Cosmic OS is a CAF-based custom ROM with full substratum support. The aim of this ROM is to deliver light-speed performance with plenty of features, a high level of fluidity, and a good battery life. The Galaxy tab in the settings menu does contain major customizations just like the Resurrection Remix and CR Droid. We have got the status bar customizations, navigation bar customizations, recents customizations, buttons customizations, lock screen customizations, customizable gestures, notifications customizations, quick setting customizations, and miscellaneous tweaks. The UI of this ROM is liquid smooth. One of the coolest features of this ROM is its animations and UI. This ROM runs on a custom kernel which is the COS kernel which help this ROM in better performance and thus providing efficient battery life. As I told you earlier, this ROM comes with their own custom kernel, which is the COS kernel, which does help in better performance than most of the stable OREO ROMs out there. The app opening animations, gaming experience, and in day-to-day usage, you will not notice any lag or forced closes. As this ROM runs on the latest Android OREO 8.1.0, you will get all the OREO features just like the picture-in-picture mode, autofill option, adaptive icons, Android OREO emojis. Since this build comes with a majority of makeover in the UI, which includes the addition of new and updated Android P animations and some of the Android P features. As I told you earlier, this ROM runs on COS kernel, which does helps in efficient battery life. I almost got 7 to 7.5 hours of screen on time on heavy usage. One of the major changes is in the UI. You will get almost all the Android P animations. You can even see the changes while using YouTube in this ROM. Talking about the camera, you will get a simple camera UI which includes the 4K Ultra HD video recording at 30 fps. So if you do want a custom ROM with pure Android experience and excels in performance and battery life and comes with latest Android features, this ROM is for you guys. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you do want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for more updates from us. So with that being said, it's me Solomon signing off from Aisler. See you guys soon.